Maddie Bear, what are you doing? Are you crushing the snowball? Or Maddie, you've got snow all over you. Yummy. Sammy. You guys even see each other? Oh, Sammy wants some of that.
Do you want this one? Nope.
Let's take a look around real quick and see how much snow he's left. Say quite a bit. Although most has melted. You can finally see the grass. Say hi!